Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a collage videos using Capcut mobile. Okay, so it's super simple. You are just going to click a new project after you open the Capcut apps. Okay, select your video that you want to edit, and I'm going to go to library and I'm going to find for put videos in library. So just select some videos that you want to make a collage video. For example, I'm going to select that video. So I'm going to select 4 videos. Just click collage. Okay, so you can select the format collage. Okay, and you can change for the ratio. If you want to make for the YouTube content, you are just going to click the 16 to 9. Just click continue. So here we go. Okay, the college video has been created. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.